Welcome to our property on Carmel Creek. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Upon entry, you have a beautiful open living area that goes directly into the kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops, very spacious, and awesome lighting in here. To the right, you get the bedroom, which has a beautiful window and again is very open and very, very spacious. Continuing down the hallway, we have the washer and dryer combo unit and we have the bathroom. Again, granite countertops, a very spacious bathtub. Overall, very beautiful property in a very desirable area.